If you want to add indicators in TradingView Mobile, here's a quick step-by-step guide. First, open the TradingView app and make sure you're logged into your account. By default, you'll land on the watch list screen. Now, tap on the chart option to open your trading chart. Once your chart is open, look at the toolbar and tap on the Analysis Hub icon. From here, select Indicators to access all available tools. You'll see different categories like technicals, financials, and community indicators. Choose any category you prefer. Most users go with technical indicators. Now, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find a specific indicator. Once you find the indicator you want, simply tap on it and it will instantly be added to your chart. Go back to your chart and you'll see the indicator applied and ready to use. And yeah, that's how you add indicators in TradingView Mobile quickly and start analyzing charts more effectively.